Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung officially introduced the new Home Up with exciting new One UI 7.0 customization. The company initially debuted this upgraded plugin during the beta program. As the One UI 7 goes public, the Good Lock plugin also sees the love. Powered by One UI 7.0, the new Samsung Home Up now offers an even more versatile suite of UI personalization features. It delivers greater design flexibility and significantly expands home screen customization capabilities. The Home Up module within Good Lock offers a set of useful tools for customizing device home screens to match personal preferences. Home is the coolest customization feature offered in the new Home Up. It ends every restriction from your Galaxy's home screen personalization by empowering you to design a layout that reflects your unique style. Apps, widgets, and folders can all be freely resized and repositioned. Beyond that, you can also conceal app icons underneath decorative elements with sticker and layer tools, and that too without pretty much tricky steps. Add a sticker to the home screen, place it over an app icon, and adjust the layer settings. One UI is typically roasted by Samsung fans due to its laggy animations. Samsung has significantly improved animations and system transition effects in the One UI. Besides, the company has also integrated an animation tuner feature in Home Up. The home gesture animation feature is perfect for users who want to personalize Galaxy's animations. The new functionality allows you to tweak and tune the transition animations activated when returning from an app to the home screen. There are 4 presets offered along with the addition of advanced tuning for granular control over aspects like speed and vibration. Home Up in One UI 7 has also added the ability to let you disable the Show Favorites option. It delivers a cleaner, more minimalist aesthetic to those who prefer a simplified and refreshed home screen experience. Good Lock's Home Up is one of the top 3 super exciting modules in One UI 7, Samsung says. Continuing this series, the company will spotlight 2 more plugins with their upgraded capabilities and features. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.